Chicago has issued a tornado warning for northwestern Will County in northeastern Illinois, south central Cook County in northeastern Illinois, until 3:45 p.m. At 3:02 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Shorewood, or near Shanahan, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado and hail up to 2 inches in diameter.
Wow.
Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Joliet around 3:05 p.m. Elwood and Rockdale around 3:10 p.m. Lockport, New Lenox, and Ingalls Park around 3:20 p.m. Mokina and Goodings Grove around 3:25 p.m. Homer Glen around 3:30 p.m. Orland Park and Frankfort around 3:35 p.m. Tinley Park around 3:40 p.m. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Fairmont, Preston Heights, Crest Hill, Orland Hills, Crystal Lawns, and Frankfurt Square. Including the following interstates: Interstate 55 between mile markers 245 and 255. Interstate 80 between mile markers 123 and 147. Interstate 355 between mile markers 1 and 5. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. This is NOAA.